Unlocking the secrets of year-end clearance sales. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we aim to make English learning an exciting journey for you. Today, we're diving into a phrase you might have seen in advertisements, store windows, or online banners: year-end clearance. This phrase is not only common but also packed with cultural and commercial significance. Let's unravel its meaning together and understand why it's so widely used. The term, year-end clearance, refers to special sales events that stores and companies hold at the end of the calendar year. The primary goal of these sales is to clear out old inventory to make room for new products. During a year-end clearance sale, you can expect significant discounts on various items, making it an excellent opportunity for consumers to buy products at lower prices. Stores hold year-end clearance sales for several reasons. The most obvious reason is to reduce their excess inventory. By selling off old stock at discounted prices, stores can free up space and capital for new items. Additionally, these sales help to boost year-end revenue, enhancing a store's financial performance. Year-end clearance sales are also a strategic move to attract customers, encouraging them to make purchases they might have postponed. Year-end clearance sales can be an exciting time for shoppers, but it's essential to shop smartly. Here are a few tips. Plan ahead. Know what you need to buy to avoid impulse purchases. Research prices. Ensure the clearance items are genuinely discounted by comparing prices with other stores. Check return policies. Clearance items might have different return policies, so it's vital to be aware of them. Beyond the commercial aspect, year-end clearance sales hold a cultural significance, especially in countries with significant consumer cultures. They mark the end of a year and the anticipation of new beginnings. These sales events are not just about shopping. They're about participating in a shared cultural moment, reflecting on the year that's passed, and looking forward to what's next. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and significance of year-end clearance sales. These events are more than just opportunities to save money. They're a reflection of consumer culture and business strategy. Next time you see a year-end clearance sign, you'll understand the layers of meaning behind it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its usage. Happy shopping and happy learning!